Okay, so some people say DataPallas is a damn good data platform.
Honestly, they're not wrong.
Oh, and I'm Leo, by the way. Just a way too curious guy. But wait, aren't you Mnemosyne, the Titan goddess of memory?
In the flesh, Leo. Memory and learning are my domain. With DataPallas, I'll help you learn everything data.
Wait, learn? Like, for real?
Yes, hands-on. No 50-slide lectures. No just trust me tutorials.
Okay, you got my attention. Like what?
For instance, you hear business intelligence a lot, right? We've built a whole platform around it. Embedded, hands-on.
Meaning what, exactly? Show me.
5 minutes on your laptop and bam! Oracle, SQL Server, Postgres, all running with real data to play with.
Hold on. Actual, realistic data? Ready for a mere mortal like me to query?
Yep, learn SQL, build dashboards, design reports, run ETL pipelines, all of it.
What about all those scary words? DBT, OLAP, cubes, dimensions?
Scary? Soon you'll be the one explaining them to your colleagues.
Hold on, Mnemosyne, but at work I use Power BI. How does this even help me?
Give us 2 weeks, Leo, and you'll forget Power BI ever existed. But say you stick with Power BI or Tableau. SQL is still SQL, right?
Oh, so the concepts carry over.
Exactly. SQL, ETL, cubes, DBT, dimensions, same stuff everywhere. You just get it.
Okay. You're winning me over.
Oh, and did we mention it's free? DataPallas is open source.
Wait. Where's the catch? There's always a catch.
No catch. Every feature is always available. No enterprise versus community versions.
Then how do you even survive, Mnemosyne?
We trust DataPallas speaks for itself, and that you'll want to use it. Need professional support at work? That's when you pay us. Otherwise, use it freely to learn or for your business needs.
Okay, so you support us, and we help DataPallas right back. That's actually really fair.
Exactly! You've nailed it.
All right, I'm in. Where do I start?
Easy, Leo. Visit our site, grab DataPallas, run it. That's it.